kita. Yung flower arrangement sa ibabaw ng isang eleganteng coffee table. Mayroon din isang ashtray at newspaper na net. Nakaupo si kita at si Queen sa may coffee table. Lalabas si Mana na may dalang dalawang tasa ng kape at ilalapag ito sa mesa. Iyakabag ni Tita ang isang tasa ng kape sa anak. Pupunta sa order si Mana at gagawa nito.
This is my mom. Bring the coffee back to life. Depende. Mom, matingin ko dapat bawas-bawas ang mga nakakita niya. It's not good for your health.
Alam, when you haven't had sex for almost 2 years, and you're going to be my age, hindi na lang pwede magpatilis ng mata. Just because he's still young, my son thinks that health is the most important thing in life. What would you do with health when you're following there's no one sure health with? How is everything, anak?
I'm fine, Mom.
Yun lang. I'm fine, anak. Pagkwento ka naman. Hindi naman, kung wala na yung sino.
Nothing new. Ito. Puro trabaho. Sakit ako ito. Sige siya.
Kung hindi naman na ito yung nagkakaroon pag-ibig sa soccer mo, kasi wala sa sa office.
Independent. Matagal ko lang gusto lumipat sa sarili kong bahay. Don't get me wrong. Pero tumatanda na ako. I have to have my own space.
Anak, I asked you a question. Kung hindi naman na itong all the unit, may I ask why? Are you planning to move out and decide to leave your poor old mother alone in this house?
Kapag tinanong ka ng mami ko, ng tono ka yung klase, dapat sumagot ka na. Actually, matagal ko na ako gusto sabihin sa kanya na mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ayoko ng small talk. Gawa na ako sa kaka-small talk ko sa mga clients ko sa opisina. I need to learn the school. I bought accounting.
Why?
Because
Just what? Because you don't want to live with me anymore?
that does na.
Then what? What do you want your own place?
Because I'm gay.
Ano lang ako sa ulit para ko ito? Kasi you make coffee?
I don't think it's a topic, Mom. I think it's what I said. You did me right.
I heard you.
What did I say?
It's not a coffee.
No, what did I say?
You said you're gay.
And?
Well, I've always known you were a very handsome. Parang may ito kasuhan di ko sa isang kapatid sa mga.
In what, Mom?
Good skin. Tatlong araw pa mahirap tulungin.
Say it, Mom.
Sandali na lang, anak. Ising-ising ko pala naglampas pa ako. Hindi ko tumigil pa ang kapay. Napos ko pala sa sinabi mo. Ay, may gaya na sana. And something you bring up during breakfast. I'm sure this boy is saying that you're moving up because you need a very much your own space. Maria, ang tayo mo. Kaya nga mo magpapalita sa aking mother. Because I don't want to get there getting you.
Diba sabi mo dapat tayo mag-nalang? What's on your mind? Say something. Get mad. Go. Anything. Just don't be silent.
That's the hardest song but a very lovely day. A good day for the a good day for the but it's not because you would say right out that you're only bad game.
Say it.
Okay, bye! What do you want to say? The son of the little sa loob ng masisot at sinabay sa kanoon? Leave your mother! For that I have to leave you with a father figure? Leave myself to use the eternal to be what's the word I was looking for? Different? Different? Yes. It's the one for different.
Hindi ka ba disappointed?
Ako, disappointed. Mana, masabi ka rin, makakulo. been my first friend in a wonderfully cherished group, and we turned out to be so well. We made chores, handsome, honest, polite. For that day, matalino, may lamang, hilig sa lalaki. His story is really strong. Hilig sa ito. Huwag ka na tanong ng tanong, baka ako na sumagot. Sandali, Marlon, ano po affected guy? Pero pwede ba? Which is the very first question. Di ba, sa inyong nag-ibig? Sandali, hindi yung tumatapay ko na sa uso. Tumatapay ka na sa class.
Hindi ba? Let's just look at it. And read it.
Just stop! Don't use that word! Very derogatory!
If you use the term bago, bakla, bakli, soke, bago,
Homosexual! Ano ba yan? Homosexual! I hate that word! Bakit hindi ka lang dating? Ayoko na, I'm pretty sure that the person who came up with that word is great. Ayoko na gawin ng gay, ang queen, pero which is but homosexual? Bagay? Ang sakit sa tela!
ayos ka nun ba?
Oo, lang ako, kuya lang. Hindi mo yun na kami mga kaya.
All my life, except for this day. Pag kami ko meron na umuli ko yung sa ako may kaya nito. And I always remind you, the final reflection of my life. Di ba, magkata sa babasa, opportunity, hindi na kayo friend. Madrilis ko, sana ako nagkamali.
I'm not a hard person to tell them. I don't speak Spanish. I want to go to a school and ask my son and ask the powers that be where he went from, so I know deep in his perfectly godliness that he's just alone. God, ang hirap sabihin. That's all I know. Parang ako nag-oorang alam mga liberties sa Arkan. Then sa una yung buhok mo, nag-ikurot ka. Hindi na, hindi ka sa sitaw, hindi ka sa talong. Wala. Wala na ako sa sasabihin ko. Anyway, pero sasabihin, di ba? My God, I'm rationalizing. Yeah. Okay. Hey. That's good. And that's good. And I should be comfortable with it. Ma'am, alam ko kung matapang kayo, kaya mas nakasal at mas malakas kayo kumpara sa ibang sa karaniwang babae. Pero, hindi ko na po nakakaya sa mga nangyayari. Hindi ako sa yung mga bibigla. Dapat na po, retired na ako ngayon eh. Kailangan ko mag-day off buong araw kayo lang. Tumas ko ang person ko. Kailangan ko mag-morning para makapag-relax. Ito po ang to. Tumas ko ang mag-sigilya. Tumas ko ang red light. Ano naman po sa inyong kape? Babalik po ako bago mag-alas 5 ng hapon. Text na lang po ako kung may problema dito sa bahay. Sa mga walang mo may ikaw, hindi yan na sa ito yung pass now. That's the only door na yan. Now that you're 30 years old, I'm expecting you to be there. Maybe 8 years old. Alam mo lang ba isa? But he figured out you God made you friendly. This is like you. Ano pa ka na itong friendly? God, then,
Yun na yung kalalaman.
eh, there's a see, I don't exactly remember what did you next time. Mother is the first to know what the answer is. Pati nga lang ko, anak ko ganda yung malasa. Pero medyo hindi nga rin ko yung kayo. Kung naman, kahit naman ito, kailangan ka rin show. Parang, balita, hindi na namin yung nila ako dito. Minsan, wala ko rin kahit isang babae, pumunta dito sa bahay. Siguro, hindi ko na rin yung mga ano ba yung challenge na hindi natin sa apartment. Why do I have this feeling na hindi ko mamaya? Isang tao.
Nothing will change, ma. I still do the same thing. You're walking that. Only some time.
And also, puro, kailangan ko.
Ano oras pa ulo?
Parang 7, bakit anak?
Wala. Sige, see you later.
Hindi. What do you want to say, anak?
Invite sana kita for every na mga ganun.
Oh, dapat. That's true.
Napapakilala sana ako sa iyo. A very special friend.
Ha?
A very special friend.
A very special friend?
Yes, a very special friend.
Kinawat, anak! Hinay, wow. Alam mo nung pinapakilala dapat sa radio. Isa lang ang headline. Tignan mo,